So recently in one of our work in progress videos, we showed you two 40-foot containers that were being modified to be joined together. Behind me is the completed job. So it's been painted, had two windows installed on this side and a personal access door, and a long window on the other side, plus ventilation and a few other bits and pieces. Let's head inside the container and have a look at those modifications. Okay, so I'm in the container. I'm on the other side of the wall that I was on just a moment ago, and you can see the two windows and the personal access door. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate around and show you the size of this space and the other features. So we have got ventilation on both sides of the container. So on this side they're low, and as I come around you can see the ventilation is high on the back side. You can see that we've got double the width of a standard 40-foot container. Now, this space is very, very usable. Very cleverly on the back of the container, what we've done here is we've put a long high window, and that keeps this area free for tables, chairs, desks, a workbench, whatever it might be that you need. On the other side of the container here, if I'm not making you too dizzy, you can see that we have the container doors at this end. That does make it really easy to bring large pieces of furniture. If this was a workshop, if you had large pieces of machinery, you're not trying to get them through this tiny little door. You've got plenty of space to bring furniture and anything customized into the container. A container like this with double width is perfect for maybe a lunchroom on a job site or a mine site, like a construction site or a mine site. It could be used by a church or a community centre as some sort of activity area, a kids' play area or creche. Very, very flexible. Once you double the width of a container, it is a really great big space. Now, this container is still sitting in our yard, and unfortunately it's not on a perfectly flat surface, so the alignment's not perfect, but it does allow you to see the join. Now, what will happen when this is installed is that these joins will be hard up against each other, and there is seals and flashing on the inside and outside to make sure that there is no water ingress. If you'd like to find out more about getting a double width container modification in either 40-foot or 20-foot, call our friendly team at Containers First on 1300 556 991 or visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au.